Yo, what's up everyone? My name's Dave and you suck at programming. Alright, before we jump in on this one, I need to talk to you guys real quick because you're being really cringe in the comments. It's called You Suck at Programming, but I seem to cover Bash a lot, and a lot of you guys are saying, why? Why do you call it programming? It's Bash. Don't you know Bash is scripting? Scripting's not programming. They're totally different things. Well, that's great for me because you guys in the comments just keep commenting that. You know what that does? That boosts me in the algorithm. So go ahead. If you get angry at me, if you get upset with me, put it right in the comments. Just bring on the hate. Boost these videos in the algorithm. You are helping me out. All right, let's jump in on this one, okay? We're going to switch gears a little bit. We're still in Bash to make you guys happy. I know you guys love Bash so much. But in this one, we have a text file with some data in it. Now let's look at this data real quick. Okay, you can see the data is colon separated. We have three fields: name, an ID, and a description. So you can see Dave is a cool guy. His ID is 56. James 1 is also a cool guy. He has an ID of 23. James 2 has an ID of 22. And his description is James 2, a cringe loser. Well, look at these descriptions, though. There's actually a colon in the description, even though we use colons to separate the fields. Uh-oh, is this going to be a problem? Let's find out. So first things first, we're going to look at your cringe script. Here's how you would parse that data. So you have a cringe script that looks like this. We do a while read line, and we read in from data.text. Actually, that looks fine to me. We extract the name, the ID, and the description. The way we extract the name is we echo the line, and then we pipe it to cut on colons, grab field 1. Okay, that'll work. ID, cut, and colons, grab field 2. That also works. For description, cut on colons, grab field 3 with a hyphen at the end, meaning field 3 and anything beyond it. This'll actually work. And then you print ID colon name is description. So if we run your cringe script, 56, Dave's a cool guy, 23, James is James 1, also cool. This works. Maybe you guys aren't as cringe as I thought you were because the script you are showing me actually works. But it's still cringe, and I'm going to show you why it's cringe. All right, you guys ready for this? Let's talk about it. What's happening here? Well, we're piping to cut. Every time we loop a line in the text file, we actually fork an external command. The external command is cut. For every line in the text file, we have 3 forked commands here. So because we have 3 lines, 3 times 3, we are forking 9 times in this script. Can we get that number down? Let's find out. Let's look at the base script that I have. Get ready. It's a lot simpler. Bam. Here it is. What we do is we do a while read line the same way we did before. However, notice there's something unique here. We have the inner field separator here. We're setting that to colon. And then we're reading the name, the ID, and the description right in this while read line loop. Cool. What does that do? Well, it defines those variables and breaks them on colons, and anything beyond the third colon gets stored in the desc variable short for description. So, echo ID name is description. When we run the base script, what do we get? We get exactly what we think we should get. We get exactly what the cringe script gives us. The only difference is the base script doesn't fork and exec any external commands. All the string manipulation is done in pure bash alone. So even though the scripts output the same things, there are ways to clean up your code to make it simpler, easier to read, and fork less external commands. And that is how to do basic string manipulation in bash.